हेलो हाय एवरीवन, सो हियर वी आर। आज आपको कतान सिल्क के सूट सिखाने वाली हूँ एंड विद कॉम्बिनेशन। तो इसीलिए मैंने भी एक कॉम्बिनेशन पहना है सो दैट यू कैन गेट एन आइडिया कि कॉम्बिनेशंस कैसे लगते हैं। आई नो मेनी ऑफ यू guys prefer same on same एक ही कलर में पूरा entire suit. That is also a very good thing, but these are also very pretty and they give you an extra touch and extra look to your entire outfit. So you can see yellow and pink का combination बना है and it's looking fabulous. Okay guys, I'm starting on with the video. I'll just keep my dupatta aside. My dupatta is in Kora silk. बट ये जो मैं आपको सूट सभी दिखा रही हूँ इसमें सिल्क का ही दुपट्टास हैं. ओके, दिस इज अ 3 piece सूट सेट. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ग्रीन एंड पर्पल. द बॉटम्स आर इन चंदेरी बट दे आर fabulous as you can see the shine on the in the fabric. So guys, this is the kurta. It's entirely in kadwa. It has a background में print, as you can see. I'll get it close to for you to see. So this is the front of the kurta. They are fabulous pieces to be worn. Okay, अभी शादी का सीजन is on a break. I know 15 दिसंबर के बाद अभी साह नहीं है, तो अभी साज उठेंगे I think 15-16 जनवरी में. So guys, you have a month to ready yourself for the wedding season जो अभी और आगे आ रहा है. And January, February, March तक silks are the best fabrics to be worn, to be embraced. They just look fabulous, and you don't have to do much. Just wear nice jewelry, अच्छा सा एक simple silhouette सिलवाइए and you're good to go. So this is the entire set for you. I'm gonna get it close. दुपट्टे में भी print है, background में कुर्ते में भी है, and all this is in karwa. So this is the weaving for you. I'll show you the back side also. Sleeves का भी fabric दिया है. The back side booties are this a bit smaller, and this is the sleeves ka fabric, and this is the daman. You can have a close look. We have the pictures ready with us. You can ask for the pictures. The price range for this suit is 22,620. I hope मैं आपको सीधा दिखा रही हूँ. The work is so clean and clear. मुझे सीधा उल्टा समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. So this is the right side of the dupatta. So background में हल्का सा print है, weaving है, कड़वा है, मीनाकारी है. So everything is there that you can ask for. So this was the first combination. This is the second one. So guys, ये कतान सिल्क सूट्स हैं but they are fabric dyed. जो मैंने पहना है ये भी fabric dyed है. इनमें क्या होता है कि texture and feel and the softness is different from yarn dyed. So that is the only difference. but ना दोनों ही प्योर कतान सिल्क्स हैं. ये वाइट बनता है सूट, उसके बाद डाई होता है वीविंग वगैरह सब होने के बाद, और yarn dyed धागा ही वीव होता है उसी कलर्स में. सो दैट इज उससे वो टेक्सचर का, लुक का, फील का डिफरेंस आ जाता है. सो दैट इज द ओनली थिंग. सो मैंने जो पहना हुआ है ये भी फैब्रिक डाइड सिल्क, कतान सिल्क है. आप मेरे को यार्न डाइड भी पहने हुए देखते हैं तो यू कैन ऑलवेज मेक आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. सो दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटीफुल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ येलो एंड पिंक. सो गाइज, हमारे सिल्क के कुर्ताज या हमारे सूट सेट्स में, ज्यादातर सिल्क वाले सूट सेट्स में द फैब्रिक इज 3 मीटर्स. आधा मीटर स्लीव्स के लिए दिया होता है और 2.5 मीटर का कुर्ता होता है. बट यू कैन ऑलवेज स्टिल चेक विद अस इफ यू आर वेरी पर्टिकुलर or you want to know exact length of the fabric. You can always ask us, but it is usually this ways. और वैसे normal suits में 2.5 मीटर का कुर्ता, 2.5 मीटर का bottom and the dupatta. So that ways it's usually the same. So this also has a background में हल्का सा print. I hope you could see it. And this is the combination. And the fabric is super soft, lightweight, guys. Very soft and lightweight. And the fall comes as the way I'm wearing it. The one I'm wearing it same ही है, खाली मेरे में कोरा का दुपट्टा है and these have silk dupatta. So this is another combination. This is pink on pink. I'll show it to you. थोड़ा दुपट्टे का pink is different from the kurta pink. It's red actually, red and pink का combination, which is again fabulous. The price range for these suits is 22,620 for a 3-piece suit set. So this is the front of the kurta and this is the dupatta. The silk is very soft, light, flowy, and it's just like malai. It's so soft. So this is you're gonna have a fab time wearing these suits. I can assure you that. बहुत light है, बहुत soft है, and बहुत wearable है. These suits you can even wear during evening, day wear, outdoor events, any time of the day, anytime. Okay, moving on to the next. Now this one is a black Katan silk suit with Tanchui weaving and Karwa weave. So all in one. Again, a beautiful piece. Okay, this is the dupatta. Sorry, this is the dupatta, guys. In by hand, I'm gonna open the. My prices usually I'll let you know, but ho sakta I might miss out at one or two pieces. You can check with us. Take a screenshot. Come on our WhatsApp number, and we'll let you know the price, the availability, the length, whatever you want to know. We will let you know everything. That's the best and the easiest way to shop with us. Otherwise, you can browse our website. So this is the kurta and the dupatta for you. I'll get it close to show you the Tanchui ka weaving. So this is the entire weave, self weaving, Tanchui weaving, and these are the borders. I'll just reverse it to show you the back side. Borders बहुत दिए हैं इसमें. The bottom is attached inside, so you can use the borders nicely while getting it stitched. So this is the back side. This is the plain bottom. इसमें border है. No, sorry, sleeves का fabric है. This is the sleeves का fabric. The bottom is plain. Then this is the back side of the kurta with the border. This is the front of the kurta with the border. It's a fabulous piece again, guys. I'll check on the price. If I know, I'll let you know, because these pieces are new. Abhi tha, I think nahi hai. I don't think that there is a price on it. Okay, then moving ahead, another gorgeous piece. This color is the color of the wedding season this year, peacock blue. It's a very very pretty color and बहुत आ रहा है. It's like I've been seeing it quite often now, and it's a very pretty shade and very unique also from the regular reds, pinks, yellows. It's a very very different color. So it's a dual tone, as you can see. I think you can see it in the video. So this is the entire kurta for you. कड़वा है, बहुत ही सुंदर है. No, it's not कड़वा. Sorry, it's not कड़वा. It's इकतारा weave. इकतारा silk में है. Getwa weave है in Katan silk. So the border you can see, it's a pretty piece. I'm just going to open up the. Let me show you the dupatta first with it. लगा के दिखाती हूँ कैसा दिख रहा है, and then I'll open up the entire piece. उसका bottom भी inside ही है, so you don't have to worry about the bottom. It's woven on one loom, all the three pieces. दुपट्टा हमने अलग किया to get the tassels done. So this is the entire suit for you. It's a fabulous piece, guys. Again, very lightweight, very soft. You can see the dupatta from a close. Just going to show it to you. It's a very pretty shade of peacock blue. So it has both the tones of blue, green. जो peacock के colors होते हैं सब हैं इसमें actually. So this is the front of the kurta. This is the back side, and this is the bottom in plain, woven along with it. So it's a fabulous piece. Okay, I have one more color in this. It's a yellow, very nice yellow. इसका bottom अलग है, guys. This is the bottom. साथ में weave हुआ है, cut किया गया है because of the for the tassels to be done. किसी में वीविंग इधर से होती है दुपट्टे की साइड से, तो हमको काटना पड़ता है. किसी में वीविंग दूसरी साइड से होती है, तो we leave it as it is. So it all depends upon that. Okay guys, so the shipping is still free for international clients for 50K and above. In case आपने अभी तक उसका benefit नहीं उठाया, तो I would request you, this is the best time for you to take full advantage of it. I know many of you have been planning to visit India in Jan, February. बहुत messages आए हमारे पास. You're most welcome to visit our studio. But in case you are liking something and you're not sure कि तब तक रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा, you can always book your piece with us with 40% booking amount, and you can check on the piece, but you can't change it. That's so for sure you can't change it. But ठीक है, आप book करके रखिए, आइए स्टूडियो में और चीजें देखिए, and you can add on to your list of things. So this is a beautiful yellow color in it. Guys, okay, the one I am wearing, इसके मेरे पास एक दो colors हैं. I'm gonna show you. So this is the bottom, plain bottom है, इसमें कोई border नहीं है, and this is the kurta. So in suits में weaving ऐसे की हुई है कि you don't have to get anything done, just neckline बना हुआ है, पूरा styling, designing सब हो रखी है, you just have to get it stitched. So this is the neckline done for you, नीचे panel में है, everything has been done. Okay, these dupattas have these 4 corner tassels. They are very pretty. They are in Kora silk. So this is a fabulous combination again. It's all in kadwa. The kurta, Okay, the kurta and dupatta both are in Kadwa. So this is the excellent combination. I'm just gonna show you the back side also. Okay, back side में ये borders हैं. The back is plain without any. Okay, it has booties. Sorry, it has booties. So this is the जो मैंने पहना है इसमें भी ये neckline. I don't know if you can see it or no because yellow के ऊपर gold है तो इतना visible नहीं होता. ये सब sleeves, neckline इसका सब बना हुआ था. So I just got it stitched. That's it. Nothing has to be done in these suits. Okay, another fabulous combination of gray and maroon, a very rare combination. I'm just going to open it up for you. This is the kurta in my hand. So इसमें भी neckline बना हुआ है. You don't have to do anything. And the bottom also has these borders. No, I think this is the sleeves का fabric. Okay, sleeves and bottom attached है. तो आपको टेलर को आपके separate करना पड़ेगा. So the borders are given on the sleeves. Okay, no, it's there on the bottom also. See, ये sleeves है. So border is there. This is the bottom part. उसमें भी border है. So border दोनों तरफ है bottom के. You can use it nicely. Bottom में नहीं डालना है, कहीं और लगाना है. मैंने अपनी bottom में border use किया. It looks fabulous. मेरा yellow है. Yellow के ऊपर gold है तो इतना visible नहीं है शायद कैमरा में. So this is the dupatta with it. What a combination. Classy combination. Very, very classy. So, okay, इसके back side. I'll just see. Just let me see. No. Okay, now moving on to the next combination. Another fabulous combination. ये कुछ maroon and brown के बीच का shade है. And it's a slight dual tone. This is the plain bottom. I'm just keeping it aside. Okay, this one has the neckline made on it. Oh, okay, guys. इसमें bottom में border है. See, check this out. That's a beautiful border. So you can use the border. See, I have got it done on my bottom. It looks fabulous. So I always request you guys to use the bottoms nicely. They make the entire suit look even more prettier and richer. Okay, sorry guys, मैंने पूरा कुर्ता ही खोल दिया गलती से. Just gonna show it to you like this. Sleeves का fabric आपको नीचे दिख रहा है with border. So this is the neckline done. You just have to get it stitched. Nothing much has to be done on these suits. Wear a nice jewelry, matching jewelry. बहुत options हैं. Gold, diamonds, बहुत कुछ जाएगा. So this is the dupatta with it. Fabulous combination again. Very rare combinations. बहुत कम देखने को मिलते हैं ऐसे combinations. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the sleeves of this kurta. इसके back side में भी booties हैं. You can check this out. And the sleeves part is this one. So these are the sleeves with the border. Okay guys, moving ahead. This is again a Katan silk suit. This is the bottom with the border. It's a black gray combination. A beautiful one again. So guys, this is the time for you to be wearing your silks. Take them out. कुछ पड़ा है उसको निकालिए, हवा लगाइए, पहनिए iron करके. They are gonna look fabulous. This is the right time in India to be wearing your silks. बहुत अपने पास ऐसे 2-3-4 महीने ही रहते हैं पूरे सीजन में. So just embrace your silks, wear them nicely. And this is the kurta. This is the dupatta with it in gray and black ka combination. So all this is in Kadwa, the entire jal, the booties, everything. It's a fabulous piece again. So guys, I'm not telling you the price. I think I missed out on many. The price range for Ajka suit sets is from 20,620 to somewhere around 26,620. So very right range also. और fabulous pieces, fabulous. आपके पास पहुंचेंगे. आई एम श्योर यू गोना मैसेज कि ये इतना जस्टिस वीडियो में नहीं कर रहे हैं जितना कि रियलिटी में. सो दीज आर द स्लीव्स. सो दिस इज द बैक साइड ऑफ द कुर्ता. आगे की बूटीज थोड़ी बड़ी है, पीछे की थोड़ी छोटी है. ओके, so that's it for today's video. This was the last piece. I hope you like them. Just take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number. Thank you.